Okay, folks, we're ready to do problem number 15. Well, first I read the problem and I'll draw a picture of the situation. Looks like it is a rectangular pen. I'm going to call the X that dimension and Y the length. And now I want to write an equation for the perimeter. Well, the perimeter has a total length that is equal to the length of the fencing. So it is 1,000. I also know from my sketch that there are 2 x's and 2 y's. So I've written the equation and now I'm going to solve this equation for y. So 2y equals 1,000 minus 2x. If I divide everything by 2, then 1y is equal to 500 minus x. Now I'm going to write an equation for area. The area of a rectangle is length times width, or x times y. I will go ahead and I will substitute in, because they say they want it in terms of x only, I will put in 500 minus x for my area. So this is then the equation negative x squared plus 500x. Next, what I would do is I would put this in my graphing calculator, and when I do that I will see a graph that looks like this. You will need to actually zoom out. Go to your zoom button and zoom out. And then you will see that it will look like this, and that makes sense because it should be opening down because of the negative x squared. And then you will see it has an intercept at 500. And then if I want to find the maximum area, that would be at the vertex. So I can see the vertex is at 250, and then if I look on my calculator what the value is at 250, I can then find out what the area is. And the maximum is going to be at the vertex. We could also calculate it by using the area is equal to negative 250 squared plus 500 times 250, and you can go ahead and put that into your calculator. And you get out a value for the area of 62,500, and then let's check what the units were. The units were in yards, so our answer is yards squared. I also want to remind you that Mr. Leach and I will only grade 12 problems. You need to circle the 12 that you would like to have graded. If you do not circle them, we will just grade the first 12. Thanks. Good luck on your final.